Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by jacking and securely supporting the car, then remove the wheel so you can reach the sway bar link. Once the wheel is off, spray penetrating oil on both nuts and let it soak. This reduces the chance of rounded fasteners. Next, use a hex key or Allen bit inside the stud to prevent rotation, and prepare a wrench or 6-point socket for the nut. Make sure brake lines and ABS wiring are clear and out of the working area before proceeding. You now focus on getting the nut off. Hold the inner stud with the hex key while you break the nut loose with a wrench or impact. Once the nut moves, remove it and inspect the stud for damage. If the link won't separate, support the sway bar with a jack to relieve tension, then use a pickle fork or a hammer to free the tapered joint. Strike where the cup meets the arm. Make sure not to stress surrounding control arm bushings while you pry the link free. You finish by fitting the new sway bar link through the mount, hand-threading the nuts so threads align, and tightening to the specified torque. Once hand-tight, lower the car to ride height so bushings settle, then perform the final torque check. This prevents preloading the link. Reinstall the wheel, torque lug nuts, and test drive slowly to confirm there's no clunking and steering feels normal. Troubleshooting tip: if a stud is seized, apply heat briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.